Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to cover Dialogue 2 in our series, Everyday English Conversations. You can get the exact dialogue that you're going to listen to in a moment with language notes. It can be downloaded from my Gumroad store. I will link it in the description. Today's conversation topic is shopping, and you are choosing a gift for a friend. Are you ready to listen? Remember, one of the best ways to improve English conversation is to study native-like dialogues, where we give you the phrases, the expressions, the word choice, how a native would prefer to express something. So we're going to do that today. Let's go ahead and listen now. Hi there. Can I help you find something?
Yes, please. I'm looking for a gift for my friend. I'm not really sure what to get.
Okay. What kind of things does your friend like? Any hobbies or interests?
Well, she's really into reading and she loves coffee.
How about a new release by a popular author? Or maybe a fancy coffee mug with some gourmet beans? We also have some lovely literary themed stationery.
The coffee mug and beans sound like a great idea. Do you have any gift sets?
Yes, we have a few options right over here. This one comes with a travel mug and a selection of local coffee blends.
Perfect. I think she'll love that.
Okay, very nice. We have the language notes. We have many key expressions and phrases. Which one was new or interesting to you, or you think the audience might be interested in?
Literary themed stationery. Paper products or writing materials featuring designs related to books or literature.
Yeah, that's an interesting one. Anything can be themed. You might even have, for example, if you go to an Italian restaurant, it can have a theme of Italy, Italian theme. It makes you feel like while you're eating your pasta that you're in Italy. So there's an Italian theme. In this case, the stationery is literary themed. So it's a design focusing on something specific. To get this exact dialogue with the language notes and the full series of Everyday English Conversations, the link is in the description. You can download the full PDF ebook in my Gumroad store.